Today we are going to draw a super cute rainbow flower scene. Let's start drawing.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big circle in the middle of your paper. Nice and round. Now let's draw 8 petals around the circle. Wow, our flower looks beautiful already. Now draw a long stem. Next, draw 2 leaves on the stem. Perfect! Now let's make our flower smile. Draw 2 cute eyes inside the circle. Now draw a happy little mouth. Next, let's draw some cute bushes around the flower. Now draw a fence behind the flower. First, draw 2 vertical pillars. Then, draw 2 horizontal bars connecting them. Let's draw a cute little bee. Draw a tiny body, add 2 wings, and little antennae. Now draw more bushes behind everything. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Trace over the lines carefully. Your rainbow flower garden looks amazing! Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cream color. Pink color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Light brown color. Fantastic work today, little artists! You drew a happy rainbow flower garden with a buzzing bee. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing adventures.
Yay!
See you in the next drawing video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.